three things that Apple should put them on their new iPhones. And I believe these three things is essential. And it's mostly about customization and personalization. But I guess most of these things are relatable. So the first thing they probably should release is changing app icons without using shortcuts. I mean, it was possible and it is possible until to date. You can actually change your app icon, but that takes almost 2 to 3 minutes just to change the app icon. And it is very frustrating, not gonna lie. Okay. Then we have changing fonts. Again, we can change fonts on the keyboard, but not the whole phone. And if you like, for different people you have different fonts. Some people like bold, italic, or some other type of fonts, and some people really just want to use some fonts that are over both the limits, like this. And yes, these two things are just personalization. But one thing for sure Apple probably is going to do by 2024 is changing USB ports to USB-C from Lightning, or they're going to go for no ports at all, is it? So EU wants Apple to change their charger from Lightning to USB-Cs. It's Lightning right now, right? You can get. Apple is trying not their best to do that. So there is the M2 Core MacBook 2 weeks ago again, Apple WWDC, and they released the charger with two USB-C ports. What? They don't even have a USB-C port iPhone. So EU is trying to do is change all cameras, all phones, and all hand portable devices to USB-C. All of them just by USB-C. Looks like somebody's gonna not profit off chargers anymore. And that thing is probably what Apple hates. Apple wants their Lightning to be stuck on the iPhone for almost eternity. I think it's a good idea for them to change to no ports, but then it's gonna be slow. But then it's gonna be so. I think so. These main three things are pretty much what Apple has to change. And also, the iOS 16 had a lot of overheating issues in the beta. I mean, Apple's betas be like. So, that's all for this video. Small one, but I think educational. See you guys next time. Before you get out of the video, check this video out where I explain 20 great apps that you probably have to know. And let me know if I have to make another apps that I probably use every single day. Bye-bye.